Alright guys, we're going to look at Liouville equations where you're going to solve for a value or a variable. So you're going to set up the equation in order to solve for it. So we look at the first example here. Y equals mx plus b. We're solving for x. That's important. Make sure you underline what you're solving for or circle it. So you use SADM. To solve for it. So we're going to add subtract. So we subtract b from both sides here. We get y minus b. You cannot just subtract y and b. And then we're done with adding and subtracting. So the next step would be divide by m. So we divide by m on both sides here. And we end up with x equals y minus b over m. Volume equals power squared h. Solving for h here. So I circled my h here. So all I gotta do is divide by power squared on both sides, and h equals v over power squared. Right here, y equals kx over z, solving for x. So I'm gonna multiply by z here on both sides, cross them out. Multiply by y times z gives me zy, or yz, either way. And then I got kx here. So I divide by k on both sides, cross out the k's. So x equals zy over k. Right here, same as the top one up here, except now we're going to solve for b. All I got to do is SADM again, so I'm going to add subtract first. So I subtract mx from both sides, and I get b equals y minus mx. And next equation, now I got p equals 2a plus 3b plus 4c. Solve for a. So add subtract. So I subtract 3b from both sides. I get, cross out my 3b. I get p minus 3b equals 2a plus 4c. And then I add subtract again because I still have some more to add and subtract. So I subtract 4c from both sides. End up with p minus 3b minus 4c equals 2a. Then I divide by my 2. And I have a equals p minus 3b minus 4c all over 2. Alright, last one. I got m equals p plus pr. Erase that a little bit so we can see it. Plus prt. So right here I'm solving for t. So I want to circle my t here. Alright, so I subtract p from both sides. Got m minus p. And divide by pr here on both sides. Alright, and I end up with t equals m minus p over pr. Alright. You can do any equation like this or formula whenever you're trying to solve for a certain variable.